Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode on our channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get the voice effect on TikTok. So you can see that people are adding different voices to their TikTok or even adding their own. If you watch this video till the end, you will also know how you can add to yours. Firstly, let's head over to TikTok. Now from the home screen of TikTok, tap on the plus icon in order to record a TikTok video. Firstly, record the TikTok video that you want to add the voice effect on. And after that, tap on this tick mark on the bottom right of the screen. Now here you can see an option of audio editing right here. You can tap on that and you will have different options and different voices to add to your TikTok video. You can tap on any of the icon and download it on your device. If you want, you can also tap on record, and after that you can tap on save. After that is complete, the voice effect will be added to your TikTok video. Now you can simply tap on next and post it to your profile. So that's how easily you can get the voice effect on TikTok. If you guys found this video helpful, then make sure to like this video and also subscribe to our channel. That's going to be all for today's video. Thank you for watching.